The DAF XG Plus is revolutionary, especially regarding cab space. Taking advantage of new EU rules, the XG Plus cab is enormous, offering unrivaled living space. DAFs are also known for reliability and a strong UK dealer network. While solid, the DAF engine performance might lack the character of a Scania V8. The brand is often seen as more of a reliable workhorse than a premium option. The Mercedes-Benz Actros is the most technologically advanced truck. It features innovative mirror cam, replacing traditional mirrors with cameras. It also has a highly digital multimedia cockpit and is very fuel efficient. Mirror cam requires adjustment for drivers. Some find the high level of technology less intuitive than traditional controls.